Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today I have the Foxy Eye Makeup look for you. I hope you will enjoy. I'm starting off with a primer. I'm just smoothing that all over the face. Now I'm taking a full coverage foundation and I will apply it onto the face with my fingers. Just want to get that really natural looking skin, so that's why I'm using the fingers. Okay, so I also added some concealing and now I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. I'm using this palette here and the first shade I'm using is this one. And I'm taking this on a pencil brush. I'm just adding this to the outer corner in a straight line. I'm just going to sweep some face powder on the eyelid with a fluffy brush, just to set the concealing I've done there. So I'm also going to run this shade in the lash line. And this line should go pretty far out. Now I'm going to use the darker matte shade in the palette. On the same brush, I'm going to add it on the outer corner for definition. Also in a very straight line, just far out. Now I'm going to use some concealer under the eyes. I'm also going to take the same concealer on a flat brush and I'm going to run it underneath to sharpen that line. Next I will use some brown eyeliner pencil, and with this I want to go to the inner corner. Next I'm curling my eyelashes. And I will add mascara, but mainly on the outer corner. So I'm dragging the brush to the outside as I'm painting on the eyelashes. Next I will add some corner lashes, and you want to pick a pair that will further intensify that elongated fox eye effect that we have going on. Now for eyebrows, you want them looking as natural as possible. It will add to that wispy effect. So I'm just filling in a couple of sparse areas, but everything will be going up. I'm not filling in anything underneath and here. Just focus on whatever sparse areas you have. Also, I'm not going to make an arch because I think that will ruin the effect, but a couple of hairs here as well will give you that upwards looking brow. I also want to elongate it a tiny bit here on the end. I'm also adding an eyebrow gel that will help with this look that we're going for, this wild eyebrow effect. I'm going to add some bronzer. I'm just adding a tiny bit of that in the hollow of my cheek and just going up a bit higher than I would normally put it. That's also going to bring everything on the face higher up. Also going to cut my jawline to make it look a bit sharper. Also going to add a tiny bit here at my hairline and a bit on my nose, just to slim it on the end here. Now for blush, I'm using this peachy shade right here, and I'm going to keep it very concentrated just to the top of the cheekbone in a straight line. Just going to pat the edges. Also going to add this onto the brow bone, just on the high point. This is just to lift the eyebrow a tiny bit. Also going to add some to the top of my lips and here in the middle of the nose. And for lips, I'm using a nude lipstick. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. So I just painted the inner corner. I'm going to also add it to the waterline. For eyebrows, you also want to make them feel elongated and going up.